Hi, I'm Joe, Customer Support Rep for TransDiesel. Today we're here in Timaru, checking out the Dafo fire suppression system. Machinery is not cheap. In your business, it's probably the biggest investment that you will have. It protects your machine, but more importantly, it protects the people driving and operating your machines. The Forex fire protection agent is specifically designed to fight multiple types of fires, including electrical, fuel, hydraulic oils. The Dafo system maintenance is very simple. There's a refillable cartridge that we can do on site, reducing your downtime, increasing your uptime. So we're up in the engine bay, and we've got the Dafo system installed here. Here we have the wire system, which runs the length of the engine bay. The fire will melt through this, sets off the system. It's hard to believe that just 5 days ago that this machine had a fire on it. Here it is, up and running again. The Forex product is biodegradable. It's also water washable. So once it activates, very easy to clean. With the Dafo system, we don't just cover the engine bay, we cover all the electrical bay as well. So if there happens to be a fire in this area, it can deal to it. So the Dafo product's a market leader in its industry, and there's been more than 165,000 units supplied on machinery worldwide. It's a well-proven product and has the latest technology. The sprinkler nozzles are strategically placed throughout the machine to provide maximum efficiency to put out any fire. The system's unpressurised, unlike a lot of the other product out in the market, which means there's a lot less likelihood of accidental activation of the system. So once they've had an activation of the system, we send out one of our trained technicians who'll come and assess the requirements to get the machine back up and running. So at TransDiesel, we can come out and have a look at your machinery, and this can be right across your whole fleet and come up with the best solution to suit your needs. There's 3 ways that the Dafo system can be set off. So the first way is with the automatic system, the second way is with this manual button, and here we have the third option for setting off the Dafo fire system. It's a simple pull cord, pull that, it goes off. Couldn't be easier. TransDiesel is the authorised exclusive agent for Dafo, with 18 branches nationwide. So the Dafo system is available for a huge range of industries, including forestry, construction, transport, agricultural. We can support you with your Dafo sales, installation and service. At TransDiesel, with Dafo, we've got your back.